Today I'm going to show you how to make a Quizlet study set. First you want to go to Quizlet.com and make an account if you already don't have one. It's super easy. All you have to do is make a username, password, and put it in your email. Once you've done that, you can start creating. So you want to go to Create, and you can make a study set for anything you are studying at the time, any class, any chapter, anything. So first you want to enter whatever chapter or subject you want. So I'll do one for educational technology. Okay, so we got that. And now you want to start adding your terms. You can add as many as you want, and minimum is 2. So I'll do one for screencasting. It has it down here sometimes. And it even will give you a definition sometimes. It may be what you're looking for, may not, but we'll try it, and you can add anything to it. So also use in classrooms. And then you can add another one. We'll do one for technology. Ooh, I can't spell. And the definition. Okay, and then all you have to do is add all the words you want and create. You can add pictures too, anything. And then once you have everything that you want, you can do flashcards or you can learn them. Application of science to help people, that's technology. Or capturing screenshots to create videos, also used in classrooms, screencasting. So it's very helpful. You can write the terms, spell them. If you're using them for spelling tests, it'll let you take a test on them to make sure you know them, a matching game, anything. And you can also look up anything you're looking for. So we'll try educational technology. And you can look at other sets that other people have made and seen if they're helpful for you and try them. And again, you can look up anything you want. This is great for tests or just if you want to remember things, you can do these for anything.